visitors, and a warm welcome to this session of the GWN GLC Know Your Member series today. I'm Neeraj Shah, Managing Partner of the Event Architects from Vapi, Daman Silvassa in Gujarat. And we have been creating everlasting memories for our clients since last 18 years through end-to-end event solutions. I shall initiate the proceedings by sharing some insights of GWN. GWN or Global Wedding Network was incepted by Varun Uday, an event manager from Bengaluru, with a vision to create a cohesive group of wedding industry related professionals who would help each other through referrals and collaborations. He is being supported by both Manas Kumar and Siddharth Hegde, who are also a part of the GWN core team. What started from Bengaluru has today spanned throughout India. We are also proud to have members from Mexico, Thailand, Turkey, and many more countries. Friends, the KYM or Know Your Member edition from GWN is one of its many such wonderful initiatives to help members know each other better. This one platform is aimed to create visibility for all members across the globe and thereby expand their businesses. So if you are excited as I am about this session of KYM, quickly type the letter E in the chat box. Come on guys. Wonderful. Superb. Amazing. Great. So let's take this excitement forward, but before we proceed, I sincerely request you all to hold your queries or questions for the Q&A session that we shall be having at the end of this KYM. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I take immense joy and pride in introducing my GWN fellow member, who is not only vibrant and bubbly, but truly a powerhouse personified. Please welcome with a big round of applause, Neeti Jain from Chennai.
Thank you so much, Neeraj ji. Thank you so much. मतलब आपका introduction देख के मुझ में energy आ गई है. So that was really a great start, I feel. And considering that you are hosting your host today, I should say you're double the energy you've brought to the session already for me.
Absolutely. And I'd like members to share their emotions by typing clap clap in the chat box or using the clap emoticon. Please. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, a small introduction for this beautiful personality, Neeti. She has been working as an anchor and MC from 2015. She conducts and energizes various kinds of events, whether social celebrations, weddings, club events, or corporate events. And guess what? She does all this pan-India. So, to know more about the whys and the whats and the hows of Neeti, let's get to hearing directly from her. So, Neeti, please tell us, how did you embark on this journey?
Okay. To start with, first of all, I mean, thank you GWN, because ये पहली बार हो रहा है that I'm on the other side. Otherwise, I'm sitting with my script, with my cue cards, with my questions ready. So this time I'm going to answer the questions. So I am just hoping that it is as easier as it is to ask questions. And all the guests and celebrities I've interviewed till date, God, please pardon me, please ये एकदम सही से करा देना मेरे लिए. So to start with, how I started this journey, it was कहते ना लोग ये जवानी है दीवानी, it's a movie name also. तो बस मेरा भी कुछ यही हाल था. जवानी में कुछ कर दिखाना था. I wanted to make my parents proud. I wanted to do something in life, do something which is like which I can create a name of my own. So to all the viewers who are watching, I want to first tell that there was a time when I wanted to become an actress. Yeah, ये भी एक point था life में जहाँ मुझे heroine बनना था, because drama, talking, all this was within me from the beginning, from my school days. So I wanted to become an actress. Then I moved ahead in life. I was like, नहीं, actress तो नहीं बन पाएगी. I mean, इतना मैं डाइट वगैरह नहीं कर पाऊंगी. So I dropped the plan of becoming the actress. So from actress I moved to becoming a CA because I saw like a lot of people would give immense respect to CA people. So I was like, chalo chartered accountant ban jate hain. Got a form at home, and then I spoke to a couple of chartered accountants and I realized ये भी हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. I cannot sit at one place and study all the time. So I was like, no, CA is not something I can do. Then I switched my plan to becoming an MBA. And then my father was like, come work with me and get an experience. So I went, I did work with him for a couple of months, but the excitement there was missing. Like, you know, the thrill there was missing. So I was like, this is not something it's not working for me. So then I switched and I did my research, and then I came across a course called MA Media Management. So I took up that course, and उस course में आपको internship करना था. तो events, talking, all that had been my forte from the beginning. तो मैंने internship, 2 internships की, एक Minds Productions Bangalore में और एक Aura Integrated चेन्नई में, 2 महीने. And
Okay.
that was the turning point of life, because until then I didn't know कि you can make money by talking. मुझे नहीं पता था कि बोलने के लिए भी लोग तुमको पैसे दे सकते हैं. एंड इफ यू टॉक कॉन्फिडेंटली एंड इफ यू हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस टू गेट योर ऑडियंस एंगेज, यू विल गेट पेड. अच्छा खासा you will get paid if you have the talent within you. So I was like, okay, let me just give a try to this. So couple of events at the beginning I did free. Obviously, I'm sure everybody starts their career like that. So when I did a couple of events, I got a very good feedback. And then apart from the feedback, what I saw was I was enjoying this. Meeting people, that laughter in the audience, that smiles on the faces of my clients, that was something which I would feel so good about when I came back home after finishing my event. And that's when I decided, chalo boss, ab yehi karna hai. I want to take up anchoring as my profession, and I want to spread this laughter, this smiles all across wherever I can. And that's how the journey started. So I realized that the passion within me understood the potential that the field of event had and made it a profession. So it is passion, potential, and the profession, and that's how it all started.
Superb, superb. So you know, I can remember a two-liner here is अक्सर वो लोग खामोश रहते हैं जमाने में जिनका हुनर बोलता है. But here, come to think of it, ये बोलती हैं क्योंकि बोलना इनका हुनर है.
Correct.
So this is an incredible journey, you know, for a person who wanted to be an actress and then, you know, doing a CA and then an MBA and then took up media management, and finally she made a profession out of her school days talent, that is of public speaking. Amazing.
Correct.
Beautiful. I mean, this is so nice. You followed your heart, and this is where I see that this is where you can really achieve and, you know, to heights.
Correct.
So this is simply amazing. But Nidhi, other than this, I'm sure you must have had some motivation, you know, an inspiration of some sort.
Yes. So coming to the inspiration, I am a person, मतलब profession, मेरा profession ऐसा है that whoever I meet, I try to take some kind of inspiration from them, because I feel out there is so much to learn from every individual. But in specific, I mean, if I have to keep my answers short, because लोग अक्सर कहते हैं कि MCs बहुत बोलते हैं, so I don't want my audience to say that today. So to keep it short, the main inspiration today, I would say, would be my family, especially my sister, because she was in an event field for a period of time. So
Okay.
she was a person who would decide from the decision of what to wear to what to
Okay.
do in an event. She would be there behind as a very strong pillar for me. In fact, I would even like to just give a special mention to my mom, because initially आपको वो डर रहता है, because you know you're talking in front of so many people, तो आपको
Yes.
वो डर रहता है. So my mom, she would accompany me along with me. She would come to me with me for events.
Right.
But the story is different कि उनको socialize करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I mean, she's a person who loves socializing, so she would accompany with me. But then
Okay.
yes, she used to come with me. So my sister and my mom, and apart from that, family and friends had been of great support, because this is a profession of which because of me, my friends and family also like discovered a lot about it. So they were there always pushing. Matlab, there were days when I'd be like, "Arey nahi hoga mujhse, mujhe dar lag raha hai," and all of that. And they'll be like, "Nahi, tu ja bindas. I mean, the mic will come in your hand and you will all be fine. So don't worry about that. It's just that mic has to come to your hand and it will be all perfectly fine." So they have been like a great source of motivation always, like family, friends, especially my sister and mom. Yes, I would give that to them.
Come to think of it, now I know, where the socializing, the extrovertness comes. It is hierarchical. It's coming down from your mom, and she possibly saw that in you, because when they say that, okay, tum mic pakad lo, the moment you hold the mic, and the other things will start. So this is what they really saw into you, and it's so good to see you. I'm sure they're very proud of you, and this, I feel you're so lucky. I mean, to have a sibling who really inspires you and helps you out in your profession. I mean, this is really an inspiration for us all, frankly.
Definitely. I always consider it as a biggest blessing, because considering the profession, there are times when you're late, there are times when you go out of the city. My family did have their own fears, but Touch Black, all the teams that I've worked with till now have been really, really great. And it just happened with time, you get the confidence. With experience and time, आपको लगता है कि चलो ये भी हो जाएगा हमसे, हम ये भी कर लेंगे. So it all with time, it all grown, and it just gave me that confidence that I can do this.
Right, I can understand, because particularly from your perspective, having a female on a professional career, I mean, there is always a question mark. There is always a lot of security, safety aspects concerned. Where traveling, late nights, timings. So your friend, your family has been really rock solid here, and that is what actually makes a difference.
Definitely.
The society that we are in is so oriented that males kuch bhi kar sakte hain, but when it comes to females, आप बाहर जाओगे, आप ये करोगे.
Correct.
Family to back you, your own people. I mean, people, there are all the question marks, all the doubts, everything gets kind of, nullified away. And we can see all that, because, that has really, helped you. You are what you are, absolutely vibrant and amazing. So in spite of the inspirations that you had from family, especially your sister, I'm sure that you agree that, life is a mixed bag of both favorable and adverse situations. So what are the challenges, you have experienced so far in your journey as an MC, and what kind of an approach you adopted for them, particularly say, even in this pandemic, how have you come to terms with the new normal?
So you have asked a very interesting question. अब इसका जवाब भी मैं आपको थोड़े अलग वे में देने वाली हूँ, a little different way, for the reason that all of us are event professionals here, at least on this platform right now, and people who are watching also, I'm sure they will relate to this. So the challenges, now I'll just tell you the challenges, and after the challenge I'll tell you my reaction. Okay. First basic challenge is event getting delayed, event late shuru hota hai, and my reaction would be, second challenge, technical error या sound system में problem, my reaction would be, next, there is a problem that the bride and groom are going to come a little late, you need to handle the audience still for 10 minutes. My reaction would be, we will do it, don't worry. Next, आपका event आपको और आधा घंटा extend करना पड़ेगा because crowd is enjoying. No problem, हो जाएगा, definitely. And then if just in case पेमेंट 2-3 दिन के बाद हम आपको देंगे, प्लीज डोंट माइंड, वो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, नो प्रॉब्लम सर, जब भी आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, हम यहीं पे कहीं नहीं जा रहे. एंड these are the basic problems that I have told you, but ऐसे बहुत सारे problems आते हैं जहाँ पे someone from the audience will give an absurd comment. मतलब like we can't expect everybody to be same, so someone from the audience will give you an absurd comment and you'll be like, wow, can we have a round of applause? So this is how you have no option there. Being a profession that you are, you always need to wear that smile on your face because आपका reaction वहां पे बैठे हर कोई देख रहा है. I mean,
Absolutely.
बाकी सब लोगों को देखे ना देखे, but an MC is a person. Everybody have their eyes on an MC, and आपका reaction उनको reflect होगा. Like it's a mirror. We are the mirror. So if we have an angry face or we have a sad face or we are low on energy, मतलब उस दिन आपका event में मजा नहीं आने वाला है. So we reflect. We are the reflection. So we need to always tackle every problem that comes our way with a smile, without any doubt. We cannot show it on our face at all. तो आपको हमेशा ये बात तो मतलब दिमाग में अब सेट हो गई है. And coming to the current situation, so current situation is also like any other problem, I would say. So, you know, I mean, we event professionals, I feel the day we become an event professional or the day we get connected to the event industry, was then say we have learned crisis management by default. It is in our blood. So there is no way that anything, even this pandemic, cannot stop us. So we are always prepared for whatever comes our way. So that's how even what I have been doing. So when this pandemic broke out, this lockdown happened, I was initially wondering, what am I going to do now? Considering it was such a great year ahead, but then I'm like, rukna nahi hai, the show must go on and the show will go on. And that's when I started doing events virtually. I started taking up virtual events, and before I used to say that I make events memorable. Now I say I make events memorable virtually. So things have not changed even now. We still having we're still here to give entertainment. We are still here to bring smiles on faces. Only difference is that we are doing it virtually now. That's all that has changed. So being an event professional, nothing can stop us. Crisis management is in our blood. And that's how I've been going ahead, dealing every problem that's coming my way or dealing every obstacle that's coming my way with a smile, with positivity.
Superb. So like every event professional, you see the silver lining in every adversity. And when they say, so this is another facet of yours that we are seeing, that, you know, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. So
Get going. Correct.
You are not only an amazing MC, but you are the tough nut, and you have definitely found your way or carved your way through the adversities here, and you have gone virtual again. So this is what is happening in the industry today. I mean, all of us are now, you say, you know, in a way we call it the fittest of the survival of the fittest. So in order to be fit in this possible situation, what we need to do is we need to find the way, and the way is virtual at present.
So true.
Times to come, Niti, you know, we may get into a hybrid format where we'll have both the physical as well as the virtual kind of a blend of both. But this is...
I want to just add here, Neeraj, so ab jo situation hai, what is another thing that I feel in the current situation is happening is, all the event professionals or the event industry, I feel when I see them now, ये जो movie है हम साथ साथ है, मतलब perfectly बैठ रहा है अभी. Like it is just fitting right now to the event industry, because everybody has come together and everybody is ready to give a hand to the other person. It's like हम एक साथ होकर we're going to go ahead. So I feel that's the beauty of it. It has become like everybody has become so considerate and so kind, and now that everybody has come together, I feel कि अब जब होगा बड़ा सा धमाका होने वाला है.
Yes,
absolutely. It is going to be like one of the kind of things that is going to happen.
So here, this is what we are here for, the GWN. Here we are not here because, you know, we are looking at competition in each other. We are looking at collaboration in each other. So, you know, whether even if my event planner colleagues or wedding planning colleagues, I'm looking at a collaboration with them. I'm trying to connect with all you different guys. This wouldn't have happened actually, you know, pre-lockdown. We were still living in our own formats, you know, in our... Now today, like you know, I'm connected with you. I'm connected with someone sitting in Siliguri. I'm connected to someone sitting in Kashmir. Someone sitting in Mexico, for that matter.
So true.
The GWN platform has made us do that, and we had this wonderful gentleman who's sitting in Turkey. So this is something, and this is the formula for the future. You collaborate and you grow together, and you definitely, I mean, the sky, there is no limit here.
So true, so true. I mean, GWN ने तो मतलब when I think of GWN, it is one thing, हम हो गए कामयाब. No matter what, GWN has your back, and you know they're there to support
Absolutely.
you. And
Absolutely.
myself, I'm having such a great time. Like there's so much positivity. Every time I finish a GWN meet, and I'm like, अरे ये कोरोना तो कुछ भी नहीं है. Like it cannot do anything to us. I mean, it's just gonna go away, and we all are gonna be like back in action. We're already in action. There's so much happening, so many opportunities. It's just about you being out there and grabbing them with positivity. It's just about that.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, you know, it's like a question we ask today, Corona who? You know, I mean, we've put all that behind because we are already moving ahead, and we are helping each other back to back. Like we've got our backs covered, you know, in a way. And this is so nice to see, and such a positive mindset and attitude.
So true, so true.
I mean,
Definitely.
just amazing.
Definitely.
All professionals, you know, have a signature style. एक अपना एक USP होता है सबका. So, what kind of a niche have you been able to carve for yourself?
Okay, now that is a very interesting question. मतलब एक MC को अपना USP बताना है. So I'm going to again try and keep it short. My USP, if I have to explain, then I have to show you something to just one picture, which is just going to explain my USP.
Oh, please.
And this is one of my favorite picture also. So why this picture? Because
wow,
I mean, a lot of people would have done a lot of work, but this one picture is very close to my heart because यहाँ इस picture में you will see either people are smiling, laughing, enjoying, or they are applauding. Either of these things are happening on this picture. तो मैं कहूँगी कि मेरा USP ये है कि age no bar, profession or business, मतलब आपके जो ऑडियंस में लोग बैठे हैं, प्रोफेशन और बिजनेस उनका नो बार, बट आई विल गेट एंटरटेनमेंट एंड लाफ्टर बार बार हर किसी के चेहरे पे. सो एज नो बार, प्रोफेशन बिजनेस नो बार, बट एंटरटेनमेंट एंड लाफ्टर बार बार. सो आई वुड कंसिडर every client of mine becomes like my extended family. So I make it a point that before any event, I get in touch with my client, I meet the client, and also understand what my client expects out of me, because I am not that person who will just go on the day of the event, stand on the stage, because I would not know what is the audience like. So it's very important for me to understand the audience first. After understanding the audience, I plan the event. So this is one small secret that I'm revealing today. जैसे ही मुझे client पता चलता है, मैं जाके उनको थोड़ा stalk करती हूँ social media पे, समझने के लिए कि वो क्या है, कैसे है, उनके friends कौन है, family कौन है, and what kind of crowd are they going to have for the event. So this little stalking I go and do. And then third is, after so much of experience, एक बात तो मुझे पता चल गई है that people enjoy music, dance and anything and everything entertaining. मतलब उनको मौका चाहिए, and regardless of the age, छोटे बच्चे से लेके like 60-70 years, everybody needs entertainment. So अगर आपको कोई बोल दे, if anybody says that, you know, I am not a person who will get up and dance or something like that. So I have met people like that, but at the end of the event, I make sure especially those are the people who are dancing. Because once if they dance, they will know what it is about enjoying and having fun. So I would say that spontaneity. Oh, one more thing. I have never believed in working on a script. If even I prepare a script, on the day of the event, I never see the script. On the stage, I never see the script. It is more about my audience and how I can make them laugh or smile. So it's more about being spontaneous is what I believe. And along with being spontaneous, it is about what will make your audience remember you, what will make your audience never forgive these moments. So it's totally about that.
Absolutely. So that is all about, we say about, creating memorable moments for them. And come to think of it, people, when they host or they are having events, this is ultimately what they want, entertainment, entertainment,
Correct.
entertainment.
और वो
And
entertainment मैं
Jen
लाके दूंगी
provides
उनको.
the entertainment. So,
Yes.
I mean, these pictures are absolute testimonials of, the kind of energy that you put into these events. And I could see, as you mentioned, this huge spectrum of the age group, whether it was a small kid or whether it was, mid-aged people or then the senior citizens. I mean, everybody was kind of having a gala time, really laughing their heart out or smiling out, enjoying those moments that you have created for them.
हमारे लिए तो मतलब every client is a celebrity. I mean, I'm treating every client as a celebrity. If you treat every client as a celebrity, definitely you are going to give your 100% for them. Like if you treat them as your own family, be it
True.
even corporate events. Whenever I get
Yes.
corporate events, also I ask the permission. Can I please do some small fun activity? Because it's very important. You need to give them a moment where they can relieve their stress and smile a bit. So that's what makes things
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean,
memorable.
that becomes, I believe, the biggest takeaway from any event. That entertainment, that fun. Getting into the positive spirits, really having
Definitely.
a time laughing out, because
Definitely.
laughing changes the entire mindset. However
Yes.
stressed out you are, even like, I understand, I can correlate with what you say, is because many times the hosts, the actual clients, they are stressed up with the kind of event that they do. So as an MC, as an anchor, it is very important that you need to get them involved. You need to take them into a different zone
Definitely.
where they
Definitely.
really kind of cherish those memories. And
At
that
the end, they should be like पैसा वसूल हुआ हमारा. That should be there.
absolutely
अगर वो नहीं
very
हुआ, जैसे
true.
मूवी देख के आप बोलते हो ना कि पैसा वसूल हुआ, वैसे ही इवेंट भी है. Like they need to feel that thing at the end of the event. Like चलो आज इवेंट मिस नहीं हुआ, ये इवेंट अटेंड करके मजा आया. So that's the whole point of it.
Superb. So आपका ये pictures और आपकी बातों से, like, I'm getting to get a feeling that you have been giving box office hits one after the other, and I believe you have done 300 and plus odd box office hits in the span of 5 years. So that is so great. I mean, it's amazing to really, see someone smiling, someone, who is really doing so much homework, because obviously if you know your clients the way they are, what community they are, everybody, they have a special niche, something or the other, some speciality which really pushes them on. So I mean, really nice to see that. And this collage that you put up, I mean, I can only sum it up in, your USP as spontaneity with a smile, because it is all about smiles. Smiles take you miles,
Wow.
like that. And it is helping here. It has helped you in the last 5 years, and God bless.
Thank you, because it means a lot. Definitely, thank you so much. And actually, you put it really nice. Next time, मुझे कोई पूछेगा तो I'm going to say my USP is spontaneity with smiles. So thank you for that line.
Surely.
Thank
Great.
you.
So, Neeti, come to think of it, what would you really say from an MC's perspective? What could you really put as the event industry's future? Now, because COVID has changed the certain equations, as we say, somehow the new normals, and this is some new, like a technology change that was to come, say, in 2025 has come much earlier. We are into a different kind of a ball game altogether. So, from your perspective, how do you look at it?
Okay, so I mean, I guess this answer again I'm going to give you through an activity. Is bar एक activity I'm going to make everybody do. So I would want everybody's support there. People who are watching us live or people who are watching us here on this platform, I would want everybody to please switch on your video very quickly. So it's going to be a very simple thing that all of us, I mean, Neeraj ji, आपका support मुझे अब चाहिएगा. Being yourself an event professional here, very simple. It's called the Global Wedding Network, and wedding means dancing, music. But music, nothing we're going to do with music, but dancing, simple, balle balle, simple, balle balle. So I am going to say few statements, and if you agree to the statement, you need to do balle balle. Okay. So if you agree to the statement, you need to do balle balle, and the energy you're going to do balle balle with, that shows how much you agree to me. Okay. So ready?
Yes,
Perfect.
ready.
I hope everybody is ready. And my first question is, it's a very, very simple question. During this whole lockdown process, जब ये lockdown हुआ, you got a chance to spend time with your family as well as you slept to glory, ate to glory, which you couldn't do before because of the amount of work you had. So if you agree, please do balle balle so that I know that you all are with me. Amazing. I'm going to say only 5 statements. This was my first statement. Second statement is, in your journey of being an event professional in the event industry, you were able to solve from the smallest to the biggest problem, be it जुगाड़ करके या सच में solution लाके, you were able to solve every problem that's come into your journey as an event professional. So if you agree, please do balle balle. Yes, great. Everybody was able to solve. Amazing.
Yes.
Now my third statement is, during this lockdown, you have built your network really, really strong virtually, that virtually you have made great friends from the industry. If you agree, balle balle kar dijiye, please. Perfect. My fourth statement is, now this is a little, okay. Have you attended meetings in a good t-shirt or a shirt but with pajamas? Yeah, so there are balle balles happening. ये थोड़ा
Then he is not going to do it.
ये थोड़ा twist चाहिए इसमें. Okay, and my last statement would be that you feel that event industry is going to bounce back like never before with greater energy and greater events. So I feel, Neeraj ji, you already got your answer to the question that you asked me, that what is the future of this industry? The future is only bright ahead. We all
Absolutely.
together are only going to bounce back tougher, bigger, and mega. Like the energy, I can already feel it. Like people out there are
Absolutely.
waiting to celebrate, and we people are waiting to entertain them. So we all are ready, and I feel it is going to get fine. Because without entertainment, people cannot stay away long from entertainment. मतलब celebrations के बिना हम ज़्यादा देर रह नहीं सकते. So definitely, this is a way to show you that we are going to come back stronger. We are waiting to come back stronger. Yeah. And already I feel it is all begin. It is all begin with greater positivity, and it is all going to happen.
We Indians, we always are, a part of the celebrations, the entertainment, community. And this is something, as you said, we definitely cannot stay out for too long. So in some or the other, I mean, we've already seen it go virtual, and
Yes.
people are, in spite of the virtualness, people still say कि यार वो जो एक दूसरे के साथ में physically जो मिलते हैं, and weddings is all about that. It's one big social event. You don't socialize, in the entire year, but then you don't miss out on these social events, the weddings per se, because you're going to meet all your friends, all your families, and one big opportunity. So
Definitely. People out there are waiting to get their clothes outside their wardrobe, dress up, go out, khao, pio, nacho, gao. They're waiting for all of this to happen. So definitely, virtually things are happening, like temporary fix, rather we would say that. Okay, until and unless it is not very safe, we have a temporary fix for you, because we are not going to stay quiet. Event industry cannot stay quiet, so we get you solutions. So we have virtual events happening, but very soon I'm sure the real events will also happen, and it will happen in a great manner for sure.
Superb. I mean, yes, we all are waiting for this, and this will be happening very soon. And I'm sure that will give a lot of opportunities. I can say that we have already built the pipeline as far as the industry goes, and we are waiting in wings. We are kind of just waiting for that, I can say, the gunshot. So it is very steady. We are already
yes,
steady. It's
yes.
just the gunshot, the clap shot for the go. And we guys are going to be all over giving people what they really like, entertainment, memories, and lots of happiness once again.
Definitely,
So,
definitely. I would just want to say one last thing, that be it any industry, like any individual right now, really need to, like, just pat themselves, like अपने आप को शाबाशी दे दो, because if you can survive this situation so well, just you can survive anything and everything. मतलब अपने आप को, मतलब ये शाबाशी जरूर देना, whoever is watching it, because we totally deserve it. If we can survive this situation, we can survive anything. It is just going to make us stronger. So just hold on and be positive and wear that smile, and it is all going to be fine. It's just about, being positive. So I also
yes.
remember, like, my mom says that mentally or physically fit रह जा, काम तो आएगा ही आएगा. Like, everything will unfold, everything will get fine. And also, there's one last thing I would just say, like, I just want to say out to everybody out there. So my grandpa would give me this advice when I took up this profession and when I was growing. He was like, do whatever you like, do whatever you enjoy, but always remember to stay humble in life.
Wow.
Being humble will unfold the best things for you in life. So whichever path you go or whichever stage you come to, just always stay humble, and beautiful things will unfold for you. So this is
Wow,
one
an
thing which I
amazing
just want to
takeaway.
spread
Amazing.
to everybody. So yes.
An
And I
amazing
would also
takeaway.
give a special mention to GWN, because it is
Yeah.
only because of GWN that I'm sitting on the other side of the seat today. Somebody else is hosting me today, and I just want to ask you, Neeraj ji, आप MC बनने का तो कोई plans नहीं है ना आपके? Because आपने जिस तरह से host कर रहे हैं आप, मतलब competition दिख रहा है मुझे already. So I just hope कि आप MC बनने का तो plan नहीं कर रहे हैं. But I would just want to give immense thank you to GWN. You guys are amazing. Like, much love to GWN, because it's through GWN that I've met some amazing people like all of you, and also like great opportunities. There's so much to learn. So thank you so much, GWN, and thank you, Neeraj ji, for being such amazing host. Like,
Wow.
I'm so glad.
I take that as a compliment. I mean, that is a testimonial for me. This is not something I'm looking at. Believe me, मैं ये करता नहीं हूँ, करवाता हूँ, and I'll always keep doing that. And Deepak also is like Neeraj ji interviewing himself, and like, I mean, oh God. So great going. And yes, the biggest takeaway is obviously the elders, when they share things with us, it is after a lot of learning, a lot of experience in life. So humbleness always gives you happiness, and that is the long run, the mileage that you get out of it, believe me or not. And we are so happy to have you on board today, and had such wonderful experiences that you have shared with us. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is all just the time we have for now. And for all those who want to know more about Neethi Jain, or even
वो भी थोड़ा स्टाइल में हो सकता है. Being an MC, वो भी मैं थोड़ा स्टाइल में कर सकती हूँ. So if anybody wants to know about me, quickly I'm going to show you something. So probably, yes. Because we MC have pretty pictures only to show to the audience. Like,
amazing.
We need to always look pretty and presentable. So,
superb. So now I'm sure somebody other than just connecting with you will ask, Neethi, who's your fashion designer? So
we'll get the fashion designer and makeup artist also to GWN now. So if you want to get in touch with me, these are the details: WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or email. So you can definitely get in touch with me.
Yes, guys, these are the details. Note them down, click them out.
Oops, sorry.
And, get in touch with Neethi for all the collaborations that you want. But before I do sign off, I have a 4-liner in Hindi dedicated to this wonderful lady, Neethi Jain, today. जिंदगी की असली उड़ान बाकी है. जिंदगी की असली उड़ान बाकी है. जिंदगी के कई इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है. अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमीन नीथी ने, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है. Thank you one and all.
Oh my God, that means a lot to me. Thank you so much. And if I have to say something for you, he's an amazing host. You need to be interviewed by him. He's doing a great work. Thank you so much. But if anybody has any questions, we can take them.
We can take up questions now. You can put them up in the chat box. We can possibly share it. Guys, anything that you would like to ask? So we have a testimonial from Ashwin Jain. Neeti always rocks the show. Yes, she is a rock star.
Such a pleasure to work with Ashwin always. Thank you, Ashwin.
Sunny Deepak, DJ Sunny Deepak, love
Sunny's always been like a partner, like always helping me to deliver the best. Thank you, Sunny.
Okay, Deepak has a question, Neeti. Which show has been the best show you have catered?
Okay, now that is a very difficult question. Very difficult question, I would say. Believe me, I can never point a finger on one show. Matlab, or inside secret, if I point a finger on one show, I'm going to get calls after this interview gets over that why didn't you mention our show? So I'm not picking a finger on any show. Every show is, Deepak is trying to put me into a situation. No. So every show is special. Every show is definitely memorable. But I would want to mention, there were these two shows where we had politicians. So there was Mr. Prakash Javadekar and the governor of Tamil Nadu, two different shows. So that time the audience was huge, like thousands. So
Yes.
I would say that rather I was very nervous, very nervous because yes, I mean I was growing. I mean I was experiencing my profession. I was very nervous rather I would say. But I say I'm nervous for every show. Every show like feels like my first show. But these two particular shows, I was a extra bit nervous, but then every show is special in every possible way. Definitely.
Absolutely.
Her client important hai.
Every event is a different story waiting to be
Yes.
unpacked.
Yes.
So I can really relate here. Yes, Neeti. Every show, every event that you do has got its own charm, its own special memories, and it's like you don't have experience of 5 years, you have an experience of 1 year with different things done over 5 years, so it's a whole different perspective here.
Definitely.
And it's very difficult sometimes to really pinpoint that, okay, this was one of my best shows, because it is wonderful, but amazing to really have you. And guys, I'd like you to leave your positive comments in the chat box.
There is one question, I guess, and also I would mention Mr. Vedant Bhandari. Thank you so much. In fact, it's always been a pleasure to work with you. So smooth, so much of ease. And Mansa has a question: social events or corporate show, which is your favorite? Okay, so I would rather say, Mansa, corporate show with entertainment, and social events definitely has entertainment. So when corporate show has an entertainment element, I start enjoying that. So what I am looking at is बोरिंग नहीं होना चाहिए. Like I mean वो स्क्रिप्ट के साथ सिर्फ नहीं, I always want some kind of हटके element should be there, like some kind of मजा should be there. So both are good definitely, but the beauty of corporate show is like it's just जाओ script पढ़ो, so it is easy I would say, but still I enjoy doing events where there is entertainment for sure. Like so yeah, I want both the events, Mansa. So if anything, you please either be corporate or social events. I'm ready to do both. So yes, both the events.
Okay, Pramodini has a question for you, and the question is: do you kill every show with your radiant smile?
Now, Pramodini,
and this lady has got an abundance for that.
There is no answer to that. There's just big smile and lots of love to you for that question. So thank you so much. I would rather take that as a compliment than a question. I try my best to do that. So rest, I leave it how the audience take it. But yes, I definitely try my best. So thank you so much for that, Pramodini. Thank you.
Superb. So we've been having some very good feedbacks, and yes, guys, you can keep up with your positive comments to this chat box. It means a lot, and it definitely motivates the team, so we can come back with more such sessions of KYM. And for those of you or your friends who have missed, or your colleagues who have missed this, you can ask them to catch up of this edition on Facebook. And thank you once again. Until the next KYM, this is Neeraj signing off. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.